Hello friends, and welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. If you're watching this video, you've probably just packed away those Christmas decorations and are wondering how to keep your farmhouse home feeling warm and inviting through the winter months. Today, we're diving into after Christmas styling with a minimalist approach that celebrates the timeless beauty of farmhouse design. We'll explore every corner of your home, from the welcoming exterior to the serene bathroom spaces, using simple accessories that make a big impact. Before we begin this cozy journey together, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our design inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up if you love farmhouse style, and drop a comment below sharing your favorite room to decorate. Creating a welcoming farmhouse exterior after Christmas means embracing natural simplicity and winter charm. Remove holiday-specific decor but keep elements like evergreen wreaths made from fresh or faux pine, cedar, and eucalyptus on your front door for that organic touch. Consider adding a vintage-style lantern on either side of your entrance, perhaps with battery-operated candles for a soft glow during evening hours. A galvanized metal planter filled with winter branches or birch logs creates wonderful textural interest without overwhelming the space. The key is maintaining that lived-in, authentic farmhouse aesthetic while transitioning seamlessly into the winter season. This approach to exterior styling sets the tone for the entire home. Your entryway is the first impression guests receive, so let's make it count with thoughtful, minimal accessories. Start with a rustic wooden bench featuring a distressed finish where family members can sit while removing shoes. Above it, install simple shaker-style coat hooks in matte black or oil-rubbed bronze for hanging winter coats and scarves. A vintage-inspired mirror with a weathered frame not only serves a practical purpose, but also reflects light, making your entryway feel more spacious. Place a woven jute mat at the entrance for texture and functionality. Add a ceramic bowl or wooden tray on a small console table for corralling keys and mail. This curated approach creates an organized, welcoming transition space. The living room deserves special attention as we transition from festive to everyday farmhouse style. Begin by layering neutral textiles. Think chunky knit throw blankets in cream or oatmeal tones draped over a linen sofa. Swap Christmas pillows for simple pillow covers in natural fabrics like burlap, ticking stripe, or soft linen in muted colors. On your coffee table, create a minimal vignette using a vintage wooden dough bowl filled with white candles of varying heights. Consider adding a small stack of vintage books tied with twine and a sprig of dried lavender or cotton stems. The beauty of farmhouse design lies in its understated elegance. Each piece should feel purposeful and organic, creating a space that invites relaxation and connection. Continuing with living room styling, focus on architectural elements and natural materials that define farmhouse aesthetics. If you have exposed wooden beams or shiplap walls, let these features shine without over-accessorizing. A large weathered wooden ladder leaning against the wall serves as both decor and functional storage for throw blankets. Replace holiday greenery with simple eucalyptus branches in a vintage milk jug or galvanized bucket. Consider incorporating reclaimed wood elements like a chunky mantel shelf or distressed picture frames showcasing black and white family photos. Window treatments should remain light and airy. Linen curtains in natural tones allow winter light to filter through beautifully. This layered approach creates depth without clutter. The dining room transitions beautifully into post-Christmas simplicity with carefully chosen minimal accessories. Your farmhouse table, ideally reclaimed wood with visible grain and character, becomes the focal point. Center it with a long wooden dough bowl or trough filled with white pillar candles and scattered eucalyptus sprigs for an organic centerpiece. Layer a vintage linen table runner beneath for added texture. Choose dining chairs with a mix-and-match aesthetic, perhaps combining Windsor back chairs with simple benches to create that collected over time feeling. Above the table, a statement light fixture like a wooden bead chandelier or wrought iron pendant adds character. Keep place settings simple with white or cream stoneware and linen napkins tied with jute twine. Let's discuss the finer details of farmhouse dining room styling that create warmth without overwhelming the space. Open shelving or a rustic hutch provides opportunity to display your favorite ironstone pitchers, vintage cutting boards, and simple white dishes in an artful arrangement. The concept of vignette styling applies here. Group items in odd numbers and vary heights for visual interest. A galvanized metal tray can hold everyday essentials like salt and pepper mills and a small potted herb like rosemary. Consider incorporating natural wood chargers at each place, setting for added dimension during family meals. The farmhouse dining aesthetic celebrates imperfection and authenticity, so don't worry about everything matching perfectly. Embrace the collected charm. The kitchen transitions from holiday hustle to everyday functionality with thoughtful, minimal farmhouse styling. Start with your cabinets. If they're painted in classic white or sage green, maintain their clean appearance by keeping countertops relatively clear. Display only essential items like a vintage-style canister set, a wooden utensil holder, and perhaps a classic KitchenAid mixer in a neutral shade. Your farmhouse sink, ideally an apron front style, becomes a beautiful focal point with a simple gooseneck faucet in brushed nickel or matte black. Replace seasonal dish towels with timeless striped or grain sack-inspired options. Above the sink, an open shelf can hold a few carefully curated pieces like white ironstone pitchers or simple glass jars. Modern appliances can absolutely coexist with farmhouse aesthetics when styled thoughtfully. Your refrigerator, whether stainless steel or panel-ready, should have minimal magnets or clutter. Consider keeping it completely clear for a streamlined look. Near your stove, create a small cooking vignette with a vintage-style salt cellar, a wooden spoon crock filled with well-worn utensils, and perhaps a small potted herb. A compact coffee station featuring a small espresso machine or pour-over setup can occupy one corner of your counter, accessorized with a simple wooden tray holding mugs and a small glass jar of coffee beans. The key principle here is functional minimalism. Every item should serve a purpose while contributing to the overall aesthetic. The family room deserves to feel like a true retreat after the holiday season ends. Center the space around a comfortable, oversized sectional in natural linen or soft gray upholstery. Mount your flat-screen TV above a reclaimed wood console or vintage buffet, which provides storage while maintaining farmhouse character. Style the console minimally with a small stack of coffee table books, a vintage wooden box, and perhaps a simple white ceramic vase with dried pampas grass. Incorporate texture through layered area rugs. Start with a natural jute base and layer a vintage-inspired runner on top. Soft ambient lighting from table lamps with linen shades creates warmth. This room should feel lived in and comfortable, inviting family members to gather naturally. Creating a multifunctional home office within your farmhouse doesn't require sacrificing style for functionality. Select a compact writing desk in reclaimed wood or a simple farmhouse table that can serve dual purposes. Position it near a window for natural light, which enhances productivity and mood. Keep desktop accessories minimal but characterful. A vintage-inspired desk lamp, a unique small desk clock with Roman numerals, and a ceramic pencil holder create an organized workspace. A small portable radio with retro styling adds both function and personality, providing background music while you work. Above the desk, install simple floating shelves in weathered wood for storing essential books and files. The philosophy here is edited collections. Display only what truly serves your work needs. Every farmhouse needs a cozy reading nook that beckons you to slow down with a good book. Identify an underutilized corner or alcove in your home and transform it with minimal investment. Start with a comfortable upholstered chair in neutral linen or a vintage wingback reupholstered in ticking stripe fabric. Position a small side table within arm's reach, perhaps a reclaimed wood plant stand or simple metal accent table. A reading lamp with an adjustable arm provides functional task lighting while contributing to the aesthetic. Layer in comfort with a chunky knit throw blanket and a single accent pillow. A small wall-mounted shelf above can hold your current reading stack. This intimate space celebrates the simple pleasure of quiet moments. The bedroom becomes a serene sanctuary with thoughtful farmhouse styling that promotes rest and relaxation. Begin with the bed itself. A simple iron frame in black or white, or a wooden bedstead with subtle detailing creates the perfect foundation. Layer bedding in crisp white linens, adding texture with a linen duvet and Euro shams. A vintage quilt folded at the foot of the bed introduces pattern without overwhelming the peaceful aesthetic. Flanking the bed, simple nightstands in weathered wood hold only essentials, a table lamp with a linen shade, a small alarm clock, and perhaps a single stem in a bud vase. The less is more principle truly shines in bedroom design, where minimal accessories promote better sleep and tranquility. Additional bedroom details enhance the farmhouse aesthetic without creating visual clutter. Window treatments should be simple and light filtering. White linen curtains on wooden or iron rods allow natural light to gently wake you. A vintage wooden ladder can lean against the wall, serving as creative storage for extra blankets or tomorrow's outfit. Above the bed, keep wall decor minimal, perhaps a single large-scale vintage botanical print or a simple wreath made from dried hydrangeas. A cozy area rug in natural jute grounds the space and adds warmth underfoot. Consider incorporating a bench at the foot of the bed in weathered wood for both seating and storage. Every element should contribute to the room's restful, uncluttered atmosphere. Now let's talk about the bathroom, where farmhouse styling truly shines through thoughtful minimalism. This often overlooked space deserves the same attention to detail as public areas of your home. Start by establishing a neutral color palette. Think whites, creams, soft grays, and natural wood tones. If you're working with existing tile, don't worry. Farmhouse style embraces classic white subway tile beautifully. The goal is creating a spa-like atmosphere using minimal accessories that are both beautiful and functional. Open shelving, vintage-inspired fixtures, and natural materials transform an ordinary bathroom into a peaceful retreat. Remember, in farmhouse bathroom design, curated simplicity creates the most impact, allowing each carefully chosen element to shine. The shower area sets the tone for your entire bathroom experience. If you have the option, a walk-in shower with clear glass enclosure maintains an open, airy feeling essential to farmhouse design. White subway tile in a classic brick pattern or vertical stack creates timeless appeal. Choose fixtures in matte black or brushed nickel for that modern farmhouse touch. Inside the shower, limit accessories to absolute essentials. A simple wire basket or corner caddy in coordinating finish holds shampoo and soap. Consider using dispensers in matching containers to eliminate visual clutter from product packaging. A vintage-inspired rain shower head adds both style and luxury. Keep a white waffle weave shower curtain or clear glass as your enclosure. Simple, clean lines create a refreshing, spa-like atmosphere. The vanity area, or wastafel, becomes both functional workspace and beautiful focal point with proper farmhouse styling. If possible, choose a vanity in reclaimed wood or painted in soft white or sage green. A farmhouse-style sink, perhaps a white porcelain vessel or classic undermount, pairs beautifully with a coordinating faucet in matte black or brushed nickel. Keep countertops relatively clear, displaying only a soap dispenser in glass or ceramic, a small tray holding everyday essentials, and perhaps a single stem in a vintage bottle. Above the vanity, a simple framed mirror with distressed wood or metal frame completes the look. Install sconce lighting on either side in coordinating finish for even, flattering illumination. Under-sink storage hides less attractive necessities. Bathroom accessories deserve the same curated approach as every other room in your farmhouse. Open wooden shelving above the toilet or on an empty wall provides both storage and display opportunity. Style these shelves with rolled white towels, a few glass apothecary jars holding cotton balls and swabs, and perhaps a small potted succulent or air plant. A vintage-inspired metal ladder can lean against the wall, providing creative storage for extra towels. Choose bath linens in classic white or natural linen for that crisp, clean farmhouse aesthetic. A simple hook rail mounted at an accessible height holds bathrobes and hand towels. Consider incorporating natural elements like a small wooden stool for seating or display. Every accessory should earn its place through beauty and function. Even the garage deserves farmhouse attention as a functional extension of your home. This often neglected space can embrace farmhouse principles through organization and purposeful design. Install sturdy wooden shelving or repurposed vintage cabinets along the walls for tool and supply storage. Pegboard painted in charcoal or left natural provides flexible hanging storage for frequently used items. A vintage-style workbench with a butcher block top creates functional workspace that looks intentional rather than cluttered. Consider painting garage walls in neutral tones rather than leaving them unfinished. Simple metal hooks hold bikes, garden tools, and seasonal equipment. Galvanized buckets and baskets corral smaller items while maintaining the aesthetic. The farmhouse garage proves that utilitarian spaces can still reflect your design sensibility. Your farmhouse patio extends living space outdoors, deserving the same thoughtful styling approach. After removing Christmas decorations, focus on elements that celebrate winter beauty and prepare for spring. Simple wooden or metal furniture in weathered finishes creates an inviting seating area. Add comfort with outdoor cushions in neutral ticking stripe or solid linen fabrics. A vintage galvanized tub can hold firewood near a fire pit or outdoor fireplace. Hang string lights with Edison bulbs overhead for ambient evening lighting. Consider adding a weathered wooden bench near the entrance with a few potted evergreens in galvanized containers. A simple doormat with a subtle pattern welcomes guests. The patio should feel like a natural extension of your interior farmhouse aesthetic. Friends, we've journeyed through every space in your farmhouse home, discovering how minimal accessories create maximum impact after the Christmas season ends. The beauty of farmhouse design lies in its celebration of simplicity, authenticity, and natural materials. Remember, you don't need to fill every surface to create a beautiful home. Sometimes the most powerful design choice is restraint. Each accessory you choose should serve a purpose and bring you joy. As you implement these ideas, trust your instincts and let your personal style shine through. I'd love to hear which room you're most excited to style, so drop a comment below sharing your plans. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow farmhouse lovers. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for your weekly dose of design inspiration. We've got so many beautiful projects coming your way. Until next time, keep creating spaces that feel like home.